My badge is...
It's okay, it's fine. It's fine, Stephen? What are you doing there? Where are you going?
Okay na?
Come in. Come in. We are going to the room first, come back.
Bye. Bro,
Stephen, what do you think?
who do that?
That is bro do all the time like this.
Steven, you stay here.
Here. Go down. I forgot my wallet, so I need to get the wallet. Yes, go there.
Go steal some of your wallet. Now your water.
So what here?
I'm gonna steal some of your water. Why water so small? Did you buy this?
Yeah, we will buy it. Stephen, what are you having? What is it? Ham? You want ham? Take one or two. Anything else? How about this one? Fish? That one? Sausage? Jill? Wow.
Hot soup.
Hot soup. Okay, good. That's nice. Look at that behind. Okay, I'll put it there. Yeah. Stephen, you can handle it?
Take this. What's this?
How about Stephen? It's good?
Feelings.
You want butter? If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Hey, come on. Not here. Put one more bread over there. There's a tongue there. Hang on. How about that? You know, it always stayed out of the wait. You like it? Which jam you like it? Can you have this one? What do you think? Use your hands. Yeah. Take that one nearby and put it in the yeah. Put that also. That's fine. You want that one? Thank you. That's what you're going to get it right now.
That's not so
Okay. That's how it is. Jill? How are you, Jill? You like the food?
Fried rice.
Where are you going? What are you doing, Jill? Coffee?
Steven,
I don't know.
What's this?
That is white sugar, brown sugar. Difference is there.
Where?
People choose whatever they want to choose. It's up to them. You choose what you want. Where are you going? Stephen is not here.
Okay pa, ang dami ko siya.
Gia, are you full? No full?
Have you tried this?
This is the one? What is that thing?
That is tuyo gourmet.
Okay.
Or sardinas.
It's like a regular but salty.
You like it?
It's salty. Not bad.
How is that? Rice and egg?
Rice is fine, but egg is saltless. Veggie is nice. Nice veggie. The garlic rice, good. Let's try the chicken sausage.
Nom, 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 nom.
Nice. That one is nice. More veggie. Good. What is this? Chorizo?
Beef. That's beef.
Chorizo? This is nice. Much better.
Try this out.
Mango? It's good. I like the mango actually. Mango toast. Right? Hello. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.